If you opened your KUCCPS portal and found a blank space, or you found a message telling you that you have not been placed, you have only 7 days between May 16th and May 22nd for you to select new courses and to save your 2026 academic year. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why you are not placed in the first place, the reasons for this. I'm going to help you understand what you can do between 16th and 22nd so that you select a course that will actually take you in. And I'm also going to tell you why it is so important for you to make sure that you are selected in KUCCPS to determine whether you are going to get your government scholarship or your HELB loan for your studies in university and in college. Welcome to EduSense Africa. I bring you weekly videos about your educational and your career journey. I help you to understand the options that you have, and I also bring you current affairs and news in the education and in the career sector. So first things first, why is it that you went on KUCCPS, you applied but you were not placed, or you did not qualify to the courses that you applied for? The first reason is because most likely this year the cutoff point for the course that you wanted to do went higher than what it was last year and the years before. For example, when you were applying probably for your particular course, the cutoff points for last year's and the year before was 35 or 35.5. However, because of the results of your particular year, the cutoff points have been raised to 36. It means your cluster points of 35.5 do not qualify or is not above the 36 cutoff points for this year. This could be one of the reasons why you did not make it to be selected, simply because you were short by a very small margin to get into the required cutoff points. The second reason could be that this year there's actually a lot of competition for the particular course you are going into. Maybe last year not so many students were interested to do, if it's maybe biochemistry in Kenyatta University, but this year for one reason or the other, very many people were interested in doing it, and so they had to consider those people who scored much higher, and unfortunately you did not make it to this list. Over-competition is one of those things that make people miss out on the courses that they want to be selected in, so you should not worry, you still have a chance to get into other courses that you may be interested in. The third reason could be that the subject requirements actually put you out. So we know that for specific courses, they'll be looking at subjects. There are those courses that will require you to do, for example, chemistry and score a certain grade in chemistry. They will put a point of, let's say, B+ or C-. So maybe you got a good overall grade, you got a B+, a B-, or even a C+. But for the specific course that you want to do, the subject that is related to it, your score was below what is required. If they require chemistry C+ and you got chemistry C-, even if your overall grade was good, this can be a reason for them to throw you out because you did not reach the subject requirements for this particular course. Those are the three main reasons why most likely you are not successful with the first time you applied on KUCCPS. Now you have another chance for you to place another application, and if you want to be placed this time round, do not risk applying to the same course and the same university exactly as you did the first time, because it means other people have taken it, other people scored much better, and therefore they took up the available slots in those specific courses in those specific universities. This time round, you should be looking at other courses, maybe related to what you want to do, so that you don't throw yourself out of what you want to do, but look for alternative universities so that you don't get rejected for the second time. When the portal opens, this is exactly what you should do. Go and log into the portal and look for a list for available options. They'll be giving you a list of options that are available or that have spaces to absorb new people, and look at the courses and the universities on offer. This is what you should be selecting. Please don't go and choose the very same courses you did, because you'll be doing zero work and you will not be placed because they are full, and you risk being thrown out of KUCCPS entirely. The second thing you should do is look for unpopular options or unpopular alternatives. If maybe you applied for clinical medicine at the University of Nairobi and you are not selected, look for things that are related to clinical medicine and in newer universities which are not so popular. So you can go and look at, for example, Kimathi University or these other new universities and look for other courses like medical laboratory, for example, that is kind of related to what you wanted to choose in the first place. This will give you a much higher chance because there is less competition and they are not as popular as your previous choice. The third thing you should do is diversify your selection. If previously you are concentrating on Nairobi, Nakuru, Eldoret, these popular places, now go into regions that are not very popular. For example, look at Tharaka Nithi, Meru, Kakamega, those other areas that are not very popular because they are likely to have less competition. And it does not mean that you'll be going lower. They also have courses that you can do, and once you perform well, you get a good grade and you get the skills, you'll still be able to access jobs in the same way as if you did if you went to Nairobi, Eldoret or Nakuru. The other very important tip I'll tell you, if you scored a C or a C minus and maybe you are applying for a diploma at the University of Nairobi or at Kenyatta University, it's time to change the strategy. Go and look for TVET and look for colleges that can actually take you in very fast because you have scored what they are looking for. Universities and all these colleges may have a lot of competition that even people who have higher grades, they'll want to do a diploma simply because of the name, Kenyatta University or Nairobi University. But if you scored a C or a C+, you'll have a higher chance of being selected in TVET, and you'll also get the skills that will help you get jobs even much faster or get jobs that will pay you much better, and you'll be able to climb up the ladder. So don't just focus on the big universities. Look at the TVETs and look at the regional institutions which are much less popular. And this is where I have to give you a warning. Kindly make sure that you do your selection very careful and you get placed by KUCCPS, because if you miss out on KUCCPS, it also means you will not get government sponsorship or help loan to be given by the HEF portal. It's very important to know that these portals are linked. KUCCPS and HEF are linked, so when you miss out on one, you also miss out on the other. If you go the private way, you have to self-sponsor yourself. Therefore, take your time, put in your selection carefully, and make sure that you submit so that you don't miss out on it. And if you are out there and maybe you need help when it comes to finding out which courses you can do based on your course, which options are there for you, and so on and so forth, I offer one-on-one consultations where I can work with you, help you understand your options, and help you know which particular universities, which particular courses, or which particular colleges you can apply to based on your KCSE score. I'll be putting my number on your screen. Send me a message on WhatsApp, book your consultations, and I'll be able to work with you one-on-one. And if you are out there and you want to go into the medical and health sector, maybe to do a certificate, a diploma, a degree, but you don't know exactly what to do, where to study, how much you will pay, and all the details that someone needs to know before they can decide on which course and which place to go to, I have prepared a PDF guideline that can help you and remove all that stress of searching everywhere and running everywhere to talk to people. I'll be linking it in the comment section as well. You can access it, purchase it, and it will help you solve this particular problem. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.